A shocking moment in Vacaville, Oklahoma. A train slams into a semi-truck loaded with cars. This crash happened on a Friday. Yes, this is real. A crash test by Operation Lifesaver showing a train destroying an empty school bus to warn people about the dangers at railroad crossings. A person was hospitalized after a Brightline train collided with a car Wednesday morning in North Miami Beach, authorities confirmed.
Gut, kann man ganz gerne später mal sagen, Karl, nicht machen sich morgen Zigein. Whoa!
In Goose Creek, South Carolina, a CSX train crashes into a truck hauling a tank near Charleston. Miraculously, no one was injured. A UTA frontrunner train plows through a FedEx semi after crossing arms failed and warning lights didn't activate. Miraculously, no serious injuries. In Alito, Texas, near Fort Worth, a train derailed after smashing into an 18-wheeler that was stuck on the tracks this Sunday.
Oh my God. Oh, it's derailing. Yo, it's going off the rail. Oh, bad. Dude, that's going off the rail. The whole train's going off the rail. Oh my gosh.
"22 train carriages derail and tumble off the tracks in Moore, Oklahoma. Amazingly, no one was hurt. Officials blame a mechanical failure. Dashcam captures a terrifying moment. A train derails and explodes along I-40 near the New Mexico-Arizona border, sending flames and debris into the air. Haverstraw, New York. A train slams into a tractor trailer stalled on the tracks this Thursday, caught in a dramatic moment. And the compilation ends with this: a reckless driver ignoring all warnings, causing chaos on the tracks.